Locked out of your favorite shows due to regional restrictions? Want to know how to fix the locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box? You're in the right place. Streaming restrictions can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got some practical solutions to bypass these barriers and enjoy seamless streaming. In this guide, we'll walk you through steps to unlock your Google Onn TV 4K box and start accessing a wider array of content. Step 1. Use a VPN. The most reliable way to fix the locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. First, you'll need to choose a reputable VPN service such as NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Install the VPN app directly on your Google Onn TV 4K box if possible. If the app isn't available, another option is to install the VPN on your router, which secures your entire home network. After installation, connect to a server in the region of the content you wish to access. This can help mask your actual location and trick streaming services into granting you access. Remember to select a server in a country where your desired content is available. Step 2. Adjust your device's location setting. Sometimes simply adjusting your device's location settings can bypass regional restrictions. Start by going to the settings menu of your Google Onn TV 4K box. Navigate to the location settings option, which allows you to manually set a location or disable location tracking completely. Make sure to restart your device after these changes for them to take effect. Be aware that this method's effectiveness can vary depending on the specific service and content you're trying to access. Step 3. Update geolocation settings on streaming device. Another area to explore is the settings within the streaming apps you use. Some services allow you to update your location in your account settings. Log into your account via the service's website or app and look for any options related to the location or region. Change this setting to reflect the desired area for content access. However, be cautious, as some services may have terms and conditions against this activity, potentially leading to account suspension. Step 4. Explore DNS proxy services. DNS proxy services like Smart DNS or Unlocator provide another alternative to fix a locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box. Unlike a VPN, a DNS proxy service focuses on rerouting your DNS queries, unblocking specific content without significantly affecting your internet speed. To use these services, sign up with a provider, then update your Google Onn TV 4K box's DNS settings with the new proxy information provided. This can offer a more seamless streaming experience, especially for geo-restricted streaming services. It can be frustrating to face regional barriers when you're eager to dive into your favorite content. Fortunately, there are several solutions available to fix the locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box. Whether you choose to use a VPN, adjust location settings, explore DNS proxy services, or dig into the account settings of your streaming apps, each method presents a path toward more open and limitless streaming possibilities. Remember to always use these methods responsibly and in line with the terms of service agreements. Unlock your entertainment potential and get ready for an enhanced viewing experience.